Assalamualaikum and hi to Puan Afifah Naila binti Muhammad. So first of all, I will introduce myself first. My name is Amira Fariza binti Suhairi and my matrix number is 01DDT21F2018. So today I will represent about pizza ordering system for mini project subject Python programming DFP 40203. So next slide will introduce my team members. Pizza ordering system. This system allows user to place pizza orders, save order details to a file, display them through an intuitive GUI, and stores the information persistently in a connected database. It provides a user-friendly experience for ordering and managing pizza preferences.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nuhairin Sanar binti Iskandar. My number matrix is 01DDT21F2066. So today I want to explain about the FunctionNet GUI application, which is our interface. So our interface using label, text box, radio button, drop button, checkbox button, and also button and message box for the PM message box. So firstly, text box we using for the name, order number, and quantity. For the radio button, we are using to the pizza type, and then checkbox buttons we using to topping. Also we have a message box, which is when the button will be clicked and the message box will be appear. Also we have using a color background. As you can see, the color of the background has look like a orange to pink.
Hi, my name is Aimuni Nawarah binti Abdul Wahab. My number matrix 01DDT21F2009. Assalamualaikum. As part of my responsibility, I will be discussing the modified database structure we implement using MySQL Workbench. To start off, we establish a dedicated database for our system, accordingly named Pizza Ordering System. This ensures organized and secret data for our application. Our first table is orders, where we store essential customer information. Each customer is assigned a unique ID, and we capture details such as full name, pizza type, and toppings. Moving on the orders table, here we keep track of our delicious pizza offerings. Each pizza is assigned a unique ID, and we record its name and price. This table allows for easy updates and addition to our menu. Now let's dive into the heart of our system, orders table. We have expanded this table to include the following fields: for ID, unique identifier for each order. Name is a customer names. Order number, a unique number for each order. For pizza type, the type or name of the pizza. Size, the size of the pizza. Quantity, the quantity of pizza order. For topping, any additional topping select. And for the total price, the total cost of the order. The first key constraint maintain the integrity of our data. In summary, our update database structure is designed to capture all the necessary details for a comprehensive pizza ordering system. The flexibility of our table allows for easy customization and expansion as our business grows.
So this is code for the function database connection, which is we have to declare mydb equal to mysql.connector.connecting. So in the bracket we have a host, which is a local host. User, it's our username, it's a root, and password we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Also, for the database, we have a 2 port, which is we have 3306 and 3307, which is when the our team have port 3307, that we have to declare the port 3307, which is when they have 3306 they not have to declaration the port. And then we before we declare the database equal to my system, we have to declare to create the database name first, which is as you can see, my console equal to my db.console, and down there we have my console.execute in bracket create database my system, which is the name of our database. And then we comment of the creation of database, and then we declare in the connection database equal to my system, which is our name of a database. And then we create of a command to create the table, which is my console.execute in bracket create table orders, which is order is our name of the table. And then the ID has integer auto increment primary key, which is ID is a primary key. And then name varchar 255, which is our value, then it can insert for name. And then next is order number. We have using varchar, and the value has same as the name. And then pizza type, we also using a varchar, same to like names and order number. And then we have size, we using a varchar, same like the before this. And then we have a quantity, which is we using data type is integer. And next is a topping, which is we using the data type is a text. And then we run. Then after run, we have to comment the create table, because that will be duplicate for after we run. So next in our coding, we have declared the console.execute alter table order at a column total price varchar 255, which is this is to edit our tables that we have to forget to insert the total price.
So for file handling, dia punya function adalah untuk menulis dan membaca semua butiran pesanan pizza dan text file name, which is order details, as an argument. It appends to the file and adds a new line character to spread different orders. In case of any writing errors, it displays an error message using the messagebox.showError method, which is file write error. So next, for def read from file function is designed to read the content of order details.txt file. It uses a try block to handle the scenario where the file might not exist, file not found error. If the file is exist, it reads a content and return them. In case the file is not found, an information message will display using messagebox.showInfo, which is no order details found. This file handling function serves to persist pizza order data, allowing the applications to store and retrieve details even after it's closed and reopened. This functionally enhances the user experience by maintaining a record of previous orders.
Next is a calculation part. I'm excited to share with you a key functional of our pizza ordering system, the calculation of total price. Let's dive into the script and see how it works. In our code, we will capture user inputs such as the customer's name, order number, pizza type, size, quantity and toppings. These inputs are crucial for calculating the total price of the pizza order. Now let's take a closer look at the code from line 1 to line 8. Here, we are extract values from our user interface such as the customer's name, order number, pizza type, size, quantity, and selected toppings. We also have predefined prices for different pizza size and topping charge. Before perform any calculation, we ensure that the quantity is a valid positive integer. From line 9 to line 11, for price small is 10 ringgit, medium 15 ringgit, and large 20 ringgit. For the topping has charge. For the cheese 2 ringgit, tomato 1 ringgit 15 cent, and mushroom 1 ringgit, peppers 1 ringgit, and onion 1 ringgit 15 cents. This section check if all required fields are filled and if the quantity is a positive integer. If any condition is not met, we handle the corresponding error. Now let's move on the calculation part. Line 12 until the end of the line for the best price size val darab quantity val. Base price tambah to topping price. Here we calculate the base price based on the pizza size and quantity. We also calculate the total topping price by summing the charge for the selected topping. Finally, the total price is determined by adding the base price and topping price. In conclusion, our calculation script ensure accurate price for each pizza order based on user inputs. This transparency and accuracy contribute to enhance user experience in our pizza ordering system.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Radin Aziz Fihaja, berada di Beramuan, and my number matric is 01T21F2014. Okay, I would like to explain about the code for function second window. Okay, for the first line, which is bill text equal to F bill details, name, username val, order number val, pizza type val, size val, quantity val, topping, join topping val, and total price. Okay, this line is create format string, which is F string, that contains data about bill. It include username, order number, pizza type, quantity, topping, and the total price. And the second line is insert into order database, which is have username val, order number val, pizza type val, size val, quantity val, topping val, and the total price. Okay, for this line, it's called a function, which is insert into order database with provided parameter to store the details of order in the database. And the third one is bill window equal to top level system. So this kind is create for a new top level window, which is pop-up window that called name bill window. Alright, and the first is bill window geometry 500x400. Okay, this for set a dimension of the bill window into 500 pixel width and 400 pixel in height. Okay, the 5 is bill window title, which is bill details. So this coding for set the title of the bill window, which is bill details. Next is bill label equal to label bill window text. Bill text justify left, BG pastel orange color. Okay, this is coding for create a label widget, which is bill label, inside the bill window. So the label will display the bill text and has left justification. So the background color is set to pastel orange color. And next is bill label dot place x equal to 50, y equal to 40, and width 400 and height is 250. Okay, this for place the bill label at the specific coordinate x equal to 50 and y equal to 40, and the width 400 pixel and the height is 250. Okay, next is done button bill window text done, command bill window destroy, BG pastel orange color. Okay, this coding for create a button widget
which is done button inside the build window. Okay, the button will display text done and command is set to build window default, which is close the build window when the button is clicked, and the background is set into the pastel orange color. And the next is done button place. Done button place is at the specified coordinate, which is x equal to 200 and y equal to 300, and the width is at pixel in the build window. Okay, that's all for the first coding. For the next coding, I would like to explain about the code for function insert data to database. Okay, for the first line is def insert into order database, name order, number, pizza type, size, quantity, topping and total price. Okay, this line define a function name insert into order database that have 7 parameters, which is name, order number, pizza type, size, quantity, topping and the total price. Okay, next is try except that attempt to execute SQL insert operation to insert order details into a table name, which is orders. Okay, my cursor to execute. Okay, this line is used for execute method of a cursor to execute insert query. Okay, next is the person as placeholder in the query are replaced by the value in the tuple provided as a second argument. Okay, for the mydb.commit, for the changes to the database, making the insertion is permanent. Okay, message box show info. If try box is successful, it will display an information in the message box like message box.show info success, order recorded successful. Okay, the exception SE for exception that occur during the try block. So if contain error when we put the input, it will show error recording order. Next, I would like to explain about the code for function GUI initialization. Okay, for the first is system equal to tk for create class tk class for main window taking the application. Next is system geometry 450 times 400 for initial size of main window. Next is system.title pizza order management, which is the main title of the window. Pastel orange color for the background for the main window. Next is system.figure bg pastel orange for configure the background color of the main window to define the pastel orange color. Next, username string var, order number string var, pizza type string var, size var, string var, quantity var, string var and the topping var. So these are for create several thinking variable, which is for string var to store value by the user. Okay, next is pizza types margherita, pepperoni, vegetarian, Hawaii. Size small, medium, large. Topping cheese, tomatoes, mushroom, peppers and onion. So this list define containing option of pizza types, size and topping. And this list will be used for drop-down menus or other input element later in the code. Okay, next is label system text name, bg pastel color, place x30 and y30. This for create a label widget with the text name and place it at coordinate x30 and y30. Okay, next is entry system with 25 text variable username, place x 120 and y is 30. Okay, this create entry widget which is text input field with 25 character and associated with the username variable. Okay, next is label system text order number, BG pastel orange color, and place X30 Y55. So this for create a label widget, we text order number and the coordinate X30 and Y55. So, and the last is entry system with 25, text variable order number and place 120 Y55. So this for create entry widget for order number and place at coordinate X120 and Y55. Okay, for the next coding is label system text pizza type BG pastel orange place X30 Y80. So this for create a label widget with the name pizza type and the coordinate is X equal to 30 and Y equal to 80. Okay, pizza type dot set pizza type in array 0. So this for set the default value for the pizza variable to the first pizza type in the pizza type list. Okay, for I pizza in enumerate pizza type radio button system text pizza variable pizza type value pizza BG pastel orange and place X 120 Y equal to 80 plus 20 times I. So this coding for create a set radio button for each pizza type. So the radio button with pizza type variable and the value are set to corresponding pizza type. So the coordinate is X equal to 120, Y equal to 80 plus 20 times I. I is determining the vertical spacing between the coding. So next is label system text size BG pastel orange color and place X30 and Y 170. So this coding for create a label widget with the text size and place the coordinate X30 and Y 170. Next is size combo box equal to ttk dot combo box system text variable equal to size var and value size. So size combo box place X equal to 120 and Y equal to 170. So this according for create a combo box widget which is drop down menu for selecting pizza size. So it's associated with the size var variable and has the list of the sizes which is medium, large and regular. Okay, next is size combo box set size in array 0. So this coding for set the default value of the combo box to the first size in the list. Okay, next label system text quantity BG pastel orange plus X30 Y 200. So we create a label widget with the text quantity and place coordinate X30 and Y 200. Entry system width 25 text variable quantity var place X 120 and X 120 and Y is 200. And we create an entry widget for entry the quantity and the coordinate list with X 120 and Y 200. Next is label system text topping BG pastel color orange place 30 and Y 230. So we create a label widget in text of toppings. For I topping in enumerate topping var equal to integer var check button system text topping variable var BG pastel orange color and place 124x Y is 230 plus 20 times I and topping var dot append topping bar. Okay, so this for create a set of check button for each topping in the topping list. Each check button is associated with a unique integer var variable. The check button are placed at coordinate x equal to 120 and y equal to 230 plus 20 times I. Okay. So next is calculate button system, calculate bill, command calculate. So this button widget is created for create calculate bill with a command set to the calculate bill function. So the button is placed coordinate x equal to 30 and y equal to 30. So that's all for me. Thank you.